Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing our week on using our Designer Series paper stash. So I have got the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper for this one. I've got a masculine card here. And I've used, for both cards, I've used the Greetings from the Fabulous Sayings, which was one of the items of the month. This one has got the natural matte dots on it, and I will be using the Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems for the card we make in the video today. So this is a very vanilla card base with a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the Designer Series paper, and then a coordinating piece. When I cut mine down to 5 1/4 by 4, I end up with 1.5 by 4 inch offcuts. So I use those to create different interest on the cards. And just to add a little bit more interest, I took another piece and I just tore it to add some pieces to the side. And then again, the Greeting from the Fabulous Sayings, and it's on very vanilla. It looked a little plain, so I ran it through the Birchwood 3D embossing folder just to add a little bit of detail to kind of mirror what's in the paper behind. And then I just ran around the edge with some crumb cake just to give it that little bit extra edge. So that's how I made that one. Let's go ahead and make this one. So this is more of a feminine card, same Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. I'm just going to pop some things out of the way so I don't keep hitting them with my arm. I'm just going to run some adhesive on this. These are super simple and they are such an effective way to use up your Designer Series paper. We're doing this on a petal pink card base, and isn't that paper is just so gorgeous. And again, this is those 1.5 by 4 pieces that's left over when I cut up the paper. And again, another piece that I've just torn. I've just nipped this off because I didn't want the white piece to show, so I just tore it the other way. The To a Fabulous Friend is from the Fabulous Sayings, and I die cut it out with one of the dies from the, which one is it? The Fragrant Layers dies, so that I could cut it down to fit. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back of this piece, so I'm close to the edge, so that I can lay this piece right along the edge here. Oops, a little bit too close to the edge. And then this piece will go on as well. It doesn't matter if they're even or if you've got the same amount on each one. I love how that looks. And what this does too is it creates a little bit of a barrier between the background and the foreground, so you really get to focus on that greeting. Just pop that down like that. Then you can dimensionalize the greeting on here if you want. I am going to leave it flat mounted, and I've done this in Calypso Coral. Now I tested it because I wanted to see how it would look, so this is actually the side I want to use. The petal pink would have been a little bit light to use as the greeting, so I have put this on a piece of very vanilla as well because it matches better than a white. And then again, die cut it out with that Fragrant Layers die. I'm just going to pop that down like that. And then I'm going to grab, as I say, some of those Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems and pop some around the card. So just going to use a couple little ones and just pop them around here. Just again, just bringing the eye to the greeting a little bit. I'm going to use one of the larger ones here and just pop it down like that. And I think that might be all I do with that one. Oh, maybe I'll just take some of the larger ones and kind of pop them in some of the empty spaces in the rest. So there. So those are two really quick and easy cards. This one I used a lot of different things in. I used the folder, I used the dots, I used the different paper from the kit. This one, really not a lot more. I just used a die from a different set for the Fragrant Layers, and went from there. So similar tones in the colorways, but definitely two different kind of ideas for cards. So thank you so much for watching, and I will continue on with a couple of different Designer Series papers because we are going to use that Designer Series paper stash this week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.